In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Wix website for free. When you're ready to share your website with the world, one of the best things about using Wix is how straightforward the process can be, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're confident in publishing your website. First, let's start by accessing the Wix website editor. If you're already logged into Wix, it's as simple as navigating to your dashboard and selecting the website you want to work on. Use the Edit Site button to launch the editor. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login credentials on the Wix homepage, and then choose the website from your dashboard. And it's important to ensure you're in the correct editor for the website you intend to publish, so let's double-check if you have more than one site. Once you're in the Wix editor, you'll find yourself on the page where you usually make changes to your website. Now that you're here, take a moment to review your site. It's always a great idea to look through your pages and make any final tweaks before going live. Pay close attention to details like links, texts, and images to make sure everything is just how you envision it. Remember, your website is often the first impression users will have of your business or service. Next, let's move on to the publishing part, which is the exciting step. Look at the upper right-hand corner of your Wix editor, and you should see a prominent button labeled Publish. Go ahead and click on it. This action is what sends your beautifully crafted site onto the internet for everyone to see. Wix handles all the background technology, so you don't need to worry about hosting, as it's part of their service. After clicking, you'll notice a dialog box confirming that your site is now live. Finally, to see your site in its full glory, you'll want to click on View Site. You'll typically find this option in the same area where the Publish button was located. Upon clicking View Site, Wix will open a new tab in your browser that showcases your live website. Take a moment to navigate through your site in this live view mode. This step allows you to experience your website just as any visitor would, ensuring everything looks and feels just right. And that's it! You've successfully published your Wix website for free. It's always a thrill to see your hard work showcased online, and now more people can access your content. Remember, you can always come back to the Wix editor to make changes and hit Publish again when you want to update your site. Keep engaging with your website to keep it fresh and relevant. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.